Okay, so this is what we woke up to this morning. So earlier in the video, everything went by really quick. That was Friday, what was it? Friday the 14th. And this is Wednesday. As you saw last night, I did a quick little video. It was blizzard-like conditions coming home. We had a bee meeting. And this is what we woke up to. Wonderful. We were supposed to go over and help somebody set up their beehives or location for their beehives. I don't think we're going to be doing that today. Okay, we are on the way back to check on our birds. I've already been into the little coop. I put food in there again because they don't want to come down. I don't blame them. It's not that cold. It's only 24. But everything out here, it's not snow, it's ice. There is a hen down there on the ramp, but they don't want to come down much further than that. So I put food in there. The water's fine, it's heated. I was here earlier, I cleaned this out. What we're going to try to do is see if this little broody hen has any life sitting under her. She was off the nest and I went to get help, but I can't film it because I need the light and it's really hard to see on the camera, so I need two hands and there's no way to film it. But I'll let you know what I find. Hi, chickies. So Mama Hen was not sitting on the right box. But we moved the eggs under her, and all of them had life except for maybe one or two. We took one out. So fingers are crossed. There's a couple in there that look like they could be boys if things go the way they're supposed to. But a lot more girls, I hope. Guess we'll find out when they hatch and get feathers. Okay, to conclude today's video, which I keep extending, we need to take care of this. It's kind of green inside there. There's a lot of algae, and I've read about it. It's not necessarily good. It doesn't smell bad. It's green algae, so it's not bad necessarily. But left unchecked, it can actually turn colors, and it can eventually hurt the plants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump this out and I'm going to wash it, probably with just some hot water. And then I'm going to take out the plants and I'm going to rinse the roots. And then I'm going to put everything back together and I'm going to try to plug up these holes because a lot of this light that's getting through these holes is allowing the algae to grow at a faster rate. Now some of the newer versions of these come with plugs. So you can plug them off, but this one did not. So I'm going to get like some tape or something, black paper, tape it over this, just so that the light isn't shining down into here and creating quicker algae growth. Man, these smell incredible. They smell just like tomatoes. They smell like they should smell. I can't wait until we start getting flowers and I can start eating them. So for right now, I'm going to take this apart. Let me go ahead and turn this off. This got reset. We had some power outs last night with the storm that we had pass through here. Oh, I don't think I can do this with one hand. And I have to go get some more minerals because these are empty. So I've got two more bottles. Oh, there's a little bit in there. I've got two more bottles like this, A and B. One of each, and then, yeah, Okay, so I'm gonna unplug this so it stops. And then I think I'll take these out very carefully so not to hurt the root system. And slide over here to the sink and put it over here. And then we'll grab this one and do the same thing. All right, and they can rest there comfortably, hopefully. And then this just pops off like that. It's got a little algae on the bottom. That's okay, we'll take care of that. And this light pops off like that. Okay, now I need 2 hands to do this, and you know how to clean stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up and get it nice and shiny and put some more water in there. Okay, so I didn't show you the other one, but this one you can see there's some tablets in there. So this one I filled, and you just shake it. Maybe you can hear, there's smaller granules in this one. You fill it with water and shake it. It says purified water, but we're on well water and it's pretty good water. So I'm not gonna worry about it. If I were in the town sucks. So I would definitely be using purified water. Okay, I don't know if you can see the difference. These are green, these are white. I just ran it under water and used my fingers to kind of rub the green off. So the plants are good. I cleaned this as best as I could. There's still a little bit of green in the corners. If anybody has any good, safe ways to get the green out permanently, I would appreciate it. Now it's time to finish cleaning these and get them back into their beds. Okay, now my hands are all sticky from the tape. So I was going to use painter's tape because it comes off easier, but this is a lot darker. There's not as much light penetration. So I've covered up all the holes. I've put the top on and the tomatoes in. Let me plug this in first. Move it over. Okay. Now this hasn't fully dissolved yet. These haven't fully dissolved yet. No, there's still some in A. So I'm just going to ignore that until I'll check on it in about an hour. But there's a little hole here, little plug. Okay, tomato. That you can take out and pour the nutrients and water into. So when it starts to run low on water, that's what I'll do. And this will help prevent some of the evaporation. I think if I turn these tomato plants a little bit, maybe, because they're leaning this way. I don't know why, other than maybe that's where more light is. So we'll stick this back down. Okay, the problem is that the light slides into slots that are covered by the top. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn it on to oh, it's not plugged in. That would help very much if I had plugged it in. All right, now we've got our grow lights on. And this isn't set. It's going to be on all night long. I might turn the light off when I go to bed. Just because, and then I'll come down first thing in the morning and turn it on. So it will be reset. I like it when the light's off at night. One, it's very bright down here. And I just think it's better if it runs at night, in the dark. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.